Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to watch this video. Basically, I wanted to put a video together to show you how I lube my weapon because I've seen a lot of striker firearm handguns that are overly lubricated, which causes a malfunction. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It helps my channel a lot. But basically, in the same way, different cars require different grades of oil and octane gas. Different firearms require different amounts of lubrication in different locations. More is not necessarily better, and too much, especially in the wrong places, can cause problems. You have striker fire handguns such as the Smith Wesson M&P series, that's Shield, Glocks, and CX P365 series. These require very little lubrication to function reliably. The slide should be clean and dry. No lubrication should be applied to the slide itself. Any oil introduced into the striker channel in the slide is a leading cause of malfunction. These are failures to fire. I've seen this a lot on range days at the range. Basically, this video will be playing my illustrations as to where the oil should be applied. And you also have pictures. So you're going to apply oil here at these three locations that are being shown in the video right now. One here, one there, and one and two in the rear. You can take your finger or a Q-tip and you're going to, you know, circular motion and back and forth and just make sure there's a nice little sheen over the surfaces that are that may show friction marks. Okay, and then you can place a little small portion where I just illustrated if necessary. So next, you're going to take the barrel and place a small drop here, a small drop there. And just basically repeat the process again, either with your finger or a Q-tip. Circular motion, give the surface a nice little sheen of oil, not too much, and that's basically it. And then again, nothing need be applied here. Wipe it down with a dry rag. You can clean it, get any carbon out, and that's done. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Once again, helps my channel out. Um, Basically, once again, the tip is if you are using more than your more lubrication than your gun needs, you are excessively lubricating your pistol. Excessive oil can trap lint, dust, debris, and this will prevent the firing, which may result in a malfunction. Uh, so remember, a properly lubricated striker fire handgun should be mostly dry with minimum oil applied. Rewind video, look at the illustrations once again. There's also a picture of a Glock and giving you an additional area where to apply a small amount of oil if need be for a Glock only.